XRP, we start with daily chart, and this is what we get after we see the breakout of this correction, and this is what even we get since last a few weeks. Okay, that's why every time I mention, as long as the XRP start to move, we can see it can move very fast and sharp. That's why since last year I was keep highlighting and I was keep mentioning that even this year I'm looking for the XRP. Anyway, we start with higher time frame and with monthly chart. The we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the desktop, which is somewhere around 2, then all-time high. That's mean we're looking for continuation, and we can expect the price break the previous top, which is somewhere around 1.9 or 2. Okay. And if we move to weekly chart, again, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for this correction. And I mentioned I want to see the breakout of 94 cent. I mentioned if the price could break 94 cent, then we can look to see the breakout of the any of this. And this is what we get. Okay. And I mentioned with the breakout of 1.33, then we can look for the previous top. When I'm mentioning about the previous top is this one, which is somewhere around 1.972. Okay. And we can expect the price break this top, then we can look for all-time high unless we see some news. Okay. And mostly for me, I'm expecting to see the breakout of the previous top. And if we move to daily chart, okay, we don't see any trade setup. What I want to say is that whoever get the trade setup, it depends on the strategy they use. They can take it, okay. And based on daily chart, if you refer to my last analysis, after we get this sharp move, I mentioned any correction, we can look for buy. This is what we get, and now the price is between 1.35 and 1.42 because if we refer to the chart, now we have to see the breakout of this zone, then we can look for to 1.97. Okay, and even based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. And if we move to lower time frame, if we move to forward chart, okay, this is where we could look for buy. And now wanna see we can see the continuation and breakout of this soon or not. At this point, if the price couldn't break within today or next day, then we can expect to see the correction similar to what we have here. Okay, that's why for me, I'm looking at this zone. I want to see the breakout of this zone sharply because with the breakout of this zone or 1.5, okay, then we can expect 1.97. That's mean in the within the range of the 1.35, 1.42, and 1.5 made the price start to consolidate. Okay. And the second things I want to highlight, if we put this top and relative to what we have here, we see the divergence. We have to be quite careful at this point. It doesn't mean we cannot look for buy. For me, if I get any opportunity, any trade setup, I will take the trade. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup. And if I move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation. If we put this top, we see we have a divergence. That's why we want to see how the price react here. Whether we can see the continuation as a sharp move, then it's good. We can look for 1.5 or 1.97 or 2. If not, then we can expect the price to give us a correction similar to what we have here. Okay, that's mean at this point, as long as the price is within the 1.35, 1.42, following by 1.5, we have to watch out the market. And for me, again, any opportunity for buyers XRP, I will take the trade. And I'm expecting to see the breakout of this top, which is somewhere around 2. Uh, I mean, we will see this soon. The price can tag or break this top, then we can look for 3. Okay. Unless we see the some bad news. Okay. Technically, we are looking for continuation. That's why whoever get the trade set up, they take the trade, but at least they should know how to manage if we start to consolidate or deep a correction. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.